How to find the clipboard on iPhone. To find the clipboard on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Notes on your iPhone. Once you're in, you can view all your saved notes. Now, open any of the notes. After that, select the sentence and tap on the copy option here. Now, you have saved the sentence to your clipboard. Minimize the application and open shortcuts from your home screen. Once you are here, you'll see an interface like this. Tap the Gallery button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the search bar and type in the clipboard. Then, you need to scroll to the Adjust Clipboard option. It allows you to view, edit, and copy the contents of your clipboard. Tap on it. Now, tap the Add to Shortcut button. If you already have it on your shortcuts, you need to either replace or keep them both. Here, I'll tap the Replace button. Then, you need to tap the Shortcuts button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, you need to tap on the Adjust Clipboard to view the saved content. Here you go. You can view, edit, and share the contents from here. By following these simple steps, you can easily find the clipboard on your iPhone.